Whether a person is an independent contractor or an employee is a very important distinction. This is because independent contractors do not receive the same benefits and entitlements that are provided to employees. For instance, independent contractors are not afforded any of the minimum standards prescribed by the Employment Standards Act or the ESA, such as vacation pay, holiday pay, and overtime pay. They're also not entitled to notice of their termination. Employees could receive multiple months of severance, whereas independent contractors could receive nothing at the time of termination. It isn't always easy to tell the difference between an employee and an independent contractor. The Supreme Court of Canada said the key distinction are control and dependency. How much control does the employer have over the worker? The more control, the more likely the worker is to be an employee. How dependent is the worker on the employer? The greater the dependency, the more likely they are to be an employee, and of course the reverse is true for the independent contractor. To determine whether a worker is an independent contractor, we often look for specific signs of that, including whether the worker provides their own equipment or tools, whether the worker hires their own helpers, whether the worker assumes any financial risk, and whether the worker provides services exclusively to the one employer, or a multitude of employers. If you believe your employer is treating you as an independent contractor when you may in reality be an employee, you may be owed compensation for unpaid vacation pay and holiday pay. If you've been terminated, you may also be owed severance. You should speak to an employment lawyer to see what your entitlements might be.